Hey everyone, and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of two small but incredibly powerful organs that are absolute superheroes of your body, the kidneys. You have two of them, nestled just below your rib cage on either side of your spine. Each one is about the size of your fist, but don't let their small size fool you. These little powerhouses perform some of the most critical jobs to keep you alive and healthy. Now, you might think of kidneys as just simple filters, but they're way more sophisticated than that. Their main gig is to filter your blood, removing waste, excess water, and other nasties, which then get flushed out as urine. To do this, each kidney is packed with about 1 million tiny filtering units called nephrons. Picture a microscopic, bustling city inside each kidney, working 24/7, non-stop, just to keep your internal environment perfectly balanced. It's truly amazing when you think about it. But wait, there's more. Filtering waste is just one piece of the puzzle. Your kidneys are also master regulators of your blood pressure. They produce a hormone called renin, which helps control how tight or relaxed your blood vessels are. Plus, they are responsible for maintaining your electrolyte balance. They make sure you have just the right amount of sodium, potassium, and calcium. This is super important for everything from muscle contractions to nerve signals and your overall health. And get this, your kidneys even play a role in making sure you have enough red blood cells. They release a hormone called erythropoietin, which sends a message to your bone marrow, telling it to produce more red blood cells when your oxygen levels are running low. Without this crucial function, our tissues and organs would be gasping for air, unable to get the oxygen they need to work properly. So, they're not just filters, they're also hormone factories. One of the coolest things about kidneys is how they adapt to your lifestyle. When you chug a bunch of water, they get to work removing the excess. But if you're dehydrated, they cleverly conserve water, producing very concentrated urine to prevent your body from losing too much fluid. This constant balancing act is absolutely essential for our survival. Your kidneys are also silent guardians against something called acidosis. They maintain the pH of your blood by getting rid of extra acid and reabsorbing bicarbonate. This keeps your body's internal chemistry stable, allowing all your cells and enzymes to function at their best. They're like the ultimate internal chemists. Here's a mind-blowing fact for you. Even though each kidney weighs only about 150 grams, together they filter around 50 gallons of blood every single day. That's an incredible amount of work for organs that can fit in the palm of your hand. From all that blood, they produce about 1 to 2 liters of urine. Another amazing thing is how they talk to other organs. Through a complex system of hormones and chemical signals, your kidneys are in constant communication with your heart, lungs, and even your bones. This intricate network helps maintain what scientists call homeostasis, which is just a fancy word for keeping your entire body in a stable, happy state, even when you're under stress. And finally, let's talk about resilience. Kidneys are incredibly tough. In fact, you can live a completely normal, healthy life with just one functioning kidney. That's how efficient they are. However, it's also why we need to be mindful of their health. Chronic kidney disease affects millions of people around the world, often silently, so awareness and regular checkups are really important. So, to wrap it all up, your kidneys are so much more than just filters. They are complex, multitasking organs that regulate your fluid balance, blood pressure, red blood cell production, and electrolyte levels, all while keeping your body in perfect harmony. They are the true, unsung guardians of your internal world, working tirelessly every single moment of your life. The next time you drink a glass of water or just feel good and energetic, take a second to thank your kidneys. They are small, but mighty, and they are absolutely essential for your health. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the bell so you don't miss our next video. Stay healthy and see you next time.